Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, made it back from the Sears, and as always, state as usual, I always keep my signature lingering somewhere in the background, my Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Okay, so as you can see, these are a few items that I did go back and was fortunate enough to get. There's quite a few other things I was seeing. I may have to make another trip probably tomorrow early before they wind up discarding everything else. Okay, but on the pickup, let's get down here so you can get a good idea and see what was picked up at what prices and so on and so forth. If I can get it out, this packaging, what you're looking at here. Let's see if I can get it out. The plastic. Okay, what you're looking at here is a 3/4 spline drive that I happened to catch while I was in there. As you can see, this is a 11/16 spline drive here. Happened to come across the 17 millimeter, a 16 millimeter, picked up a 15 millimeter, as you can see. This is a 13 millimeter long. This is a 13 millimeter short. Then as you can see, this is a 12 millimeter. This is a ratcheting spline drive, ratcheting wrench here. Then as you can see, it's 11 millimeter ratcheting. Okay. What size is this? This is an 8 millimeter spline drive here. Then as you can see here is a 5/16. Okay. This one right here is a 5/16 flex head ratcheting. Okay. As you can see here, also picked up these little snips. Picked up this little offset, you know, maybe able to use it, maybe not. It's just something, why not? Picked it up for underneath $1. Okay. As you can see, here got different sockets. Let's see if I can get this out the package. As you can see, this is an 18 millimeter spline drive. Okay, and what you have here, let me see. This is a 17 millimeter 1/2 inch drive. Here's a 16 millimeter 1/2 inch drive. This is a 15 millimeter 3/8 drive. Spline drive. And then as you can see here, it's 1/2 inch drive, 3/4. These are basically all spline drive sockets. And then I got two 1/2 inch drive 15/16 here. Okay. So basically everything that you see right here, I basically paid $22 for. Okay. And this is 90% liquidation sale. Okay, give you a better view of things. There were some other flex head ratchet and wrenches that I missed out that I should have picked up. So I'm gonna try to get out early in the morning and get there as soon as they open so that I can basically get all the sets that they basically have left. While I was in there, I just happened to notice a gentleman. He had two boxes who was standing next to me at the counter with a whole bunch of 3/4 and 1 inch drive tools, and those tools are very expensive. He basically bought these boxes for like extremely cheap. Okay, so on to the next one. Gonna check you later. Peace.